Before humans dominated the blue planet, lions were the animals that occupied the most territory, more than any mammal on land. From this fact, it is easy to see that lions are species that, despite living instinctively, still have specific rules and lifestyles. The territory is occupied by a herd of lions which they consider kingdoms. In it, males attached to a herd tend to go around to patrol their territory, while the females and young will be in the central part. Male lions also often come together to form an alliance, consists of 3 or 4 individuals that exhibit a pronounced hierarchy, in which one male will lead the others. There are also male lions that actively separate from the herd for some reason. They often wander, find their own territory, or take over the territory of other flocks. When a new male lion takes over a herd, juvenile lions, both male and female, can be chased away, or even killed. Not only lions, but most animals have the habit of protecting their territory. Animal territory is a biological term used to refer to areas or areas of control of an individual or herd of animals. When there is an external intrusion to the area under control, they will have a fierce and powerful attack. These methods mark the territory mainly such as scent, noise, howling, roar, to make the enemy see their presence on the territory. The purpose of forming its own territory is primarily to access the food source, nesting place, or mating site. As an animal of the animal class, therefore, the way to protect the territory of the lion is to use urine to mark. When trespassers appear, they will fight fiercely. Therefore, in each separate territory, there will be a leader who commands the wars. In addition, the lion also uses the sound of its roar as a terrible warning signal, scaring many other animals. The need to protect the territory of animals also exhibits deep defensive behavior. Usually lions only choose to live in one area or space for a certain period of time. Then move quickly if you notice a frequent onslaught. The occurrence of fighting when there is an intrusion only shows their safe defense. Avoid damage to food sources and herds. It can be seen that the habit of defending the territory of the lion is revealed quite clearly through the details marking the territory and the ability to fight when there is a threat. This behavior is also characteristic of large animals such as tigers or wolves. Interestingly, lions rarely actively attack humans, unless there is an extreme scarcity of food, or because they are old lions and no longer able to hunt. In addition, lions will also attack if humans accidentally invade their territory. However, this is seen as an act of self-defense, rather than a targeted attack. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Goodbye everyone.
Oh,